Oh, well, that's because it was a thing. Here we are. We're all together. We got the GoPros going. We hope they're all working. But look at the colorful bikes we got. We got like a rainbow.
We're not rainbow folks, though.
Hell, no, we're not. We're going to go down Needles Highway. I got my GoPro going. I'm hoping it'll keep going. I'll check at every stop. I may lose some stuff because if it runs out of SD card or battery, then I'll have to swap it out and we'll keep going. But I hope you got to see this little windy, curvy road here. You can see it goes all the way down there. You can see the bikes down there. Let me follow one. Here comes one right there. Nah, that's a car. We don't want that. Anyway, you seen them guys right there. Now they're going to come up here. That's a 10 mile an hour curve. You've probably seen old Charlie. This ain't a trike road, tri-glide or any of them. You don't want to do that. Now these guys are going to go up this way. Another corner here. I think this one's about a 10 mile an hour or two. And you'll see they're going to have to slow down really good. And then they make that tight corner. Up they go. And then they go up there, another tight corner, and on they go. Come and see this road. What's the name? Is it name? Is this
Needles Highway.
Needles Highway? Yeah, we're gonna see Iron Mountain Road though.
We'll be there later. Yeah.
Yeah.
Heading there.
find somebody to take us a groupie here picture. A groupie picture. Look at the view here, guys. Here's a guy to take a groupie picture.
Okay, guys.
Here comes our group picture. Ready for you.
That's the asshole we met.
Yeah. Beautiful. I didn't get it much on the other camera phone. I think the battery went dead on it. But we're charging it up. We're going to try that again, see if we can get some volume. As we're going down the road, little tunes of the motor. Let's walk over here and get a little video of that. This is awful cool. I'm using my phone again instead of the camera. I should pull it out because it does a little better. This does pretty good though. Let's see what we got. How you guys doing? Sure a beautiful state, ain't it?
It is, man, it is.
Oh, what a shot. I think we're going to turn this off. I want to get a picture of that. I got a photo of that, guys. It's a good one, too. Oh, I better go turn. I forgot to turn off the damn GoPro again. I'm going to run that thing out of battery for sure. Hey, when you're coming down through here, this is a great place to stop. Got t-shirts that says that. They got in the store there, they got all kinds of stuff in there. Food, everything you need. But there's where we were. That's what we did. Now we're headed to Keystone. We're going to stop there for a little bit. Grab a cold one again. Here we go. Well, we finally made a stop. We did a lot of riding on a lot of crooked road up that way. GoPro quit somewhere. You'll know by now because it's already been turned off. Beautiful road, beautiful road. Gonna take a break here, get something cold to drink. It's about 12:30. We still got to get back and load the bikes up today. I'm gonna go grab me something cold to drink. That's the end of part 2. Stay tuned for part 3, Iron Mountain Road and Needles Highway.